water and add some fertile soil. Let's wash the mini bulldozer. We did it! Amazing! Let's fuel the covered truck. Amazing! Let's install the drip irrigation system. And now let's wash the covered truck. Amazing! You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the film laying machine. That's all. Let's place the protective film on the soil and form rows. Let's wash the film laying machine. Don't stop. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the tractor with carriage. Keep it up. Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. And now let's wash the tractor with carriage. Keep up the good work. Keep it up. Let's fuel the transplanter. We did it! Let's plant strawberries in the prepared planting holes. Let's wash the transplanter. Hooray! Done! First, let's fuel the strawberry trimmer. Ready. Let's trim the strawberry beds. We need to wash the strawberry trimmer. Done! Hooray! Let's fuel the market truck. Don't stop! Let's collect the ripe berries and bring them to farmers market. We did a great job! The berries we've grown are big and sweet. Let's wash the market truck. Done!